Welcome to this step-by-step guide on installing the split air conditioner. Whether you're doing it for the first time or just need a refresher, first, make sure the installation area is suitable. For the indoor unit, choose a stable wall with enough clearance around it. Outdoors, you'll need a good ventilation and protection from the direct sunlight and rain. Let's start with the indoor unit. Begin by using the mounting tape plate to mark the position for the screws. Make sure it's level. Drill the mounting holes and also drill the hole through the wall for the refrigerant pipes, drain hose, and electrical cables, about 2.5 to 3 inches wide. Slope it slightly downward to the outside. Now connect the copper tubing to the indoor unit. Be careful with flaring, it needs to be clean and even to prevent leaks. Next, connect the electrical wiring according to the wiring diagram. You need to open the unit and you're going to find it on the right. We are going to remove the screw and we will find the panel. Install the draining hose, making there are no upward pans. The water needs to flow freely. Once everything is connected, hand the unit securely to the mounting plate. It should click into place, sit flush against the wall. Now onto the outdoor unit. Make sure it's a solid level base, either on the ground or mount on the wall bracket. Connect the copper tubing, always use proper torque values when tightening the flared nuts. Then wire the outdoor unit, matching the indoor unit's terminal exactly. Before starting the system, we need to vacuum the refrigerant lines. Connect the vacuum pump to the low pressure service port. Run the pump for 15 to 30 minutes. Your goal is to get the pressure gauge below minus 0.1 MPa. Once reached, close the valve and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. The pressure should remain steady. If it raises, you may have a leak and you have to repeat the process. Also, do a quick leakage test. Use a voltage tester on the outside of the unit casing. If it light up, stop and double check the wiring. Once everything is in place and tested from the system using the remote, you should feel the cool or warm air just in a few minutes, depending on your settings. And that's it. Your mini split AC is running. Thanks for watching and I hope this helped to feel more confident with the installation. Stay cool or warm and enjoy the comfort.